Understanding the phrase, bike lock. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase, bike lock. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. A bike lock is, quite simply, a lock specifically designed to secure a bicycle. These locks can come in various types such as chain locks, U-locks, and cable locks. The main purpose is to prevent theft and keep your bicycle safe. Example: I always make sure to lock my bicycle with a bike lock when I go into the store. In everyday conversation, when someone refers to a bike lock, they are mostly talking about the physical object used to secure a bike. However, the phrase can also be used metaphorically to refer to something that provides security or safety. Example: just as you use a bike lock to secure your bike, always use strong passwords to protect your online accounts. It's easy to get confused, but remember that a bike lock is specifically for bicycles. It's not used for scooters, motorcycles, or other vehicles. Saying something like, motorcycle bike lock, would be incorrect. Instead, simply say, motorcycle lock. We've now covered the phrase, bike lock, in English. Whether you're discussing the security of a bicycle or using the term metaphorically, you now know how to use it correctly. Happy learning, and always remember the importance of clarity in communication. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to exploring more English phrases with you soon.